Next time you see flank steak, look closer. Contrary to what the name implies, this popular cut doesn't come from a cow's flanks at all. It is actually taken directly from the animal's lower abdominal muscles. Let's break down the anatomy. The flank steak is a long, flat cut located just behind the plate and in front of the rear quarter. It sits along the belly, specifically below the loin and sirloin sections. This area is part of a primal cut known for being highly exercised. Because this muscle works so much, the resulting meat is incredibly lean and features a distinct, significant grain that runs through it. Despite its tough texture, flank steak offers an incredible beefy flavor. However, that chewiness requires specific preparation. Techniques to ensure the meat remains satisfying and not dry or stringy. This is why aggressive marinating is essential before cooking. You must slice the meat very thin against the grain to shorten those muscle fibers, making it perfect for dishes like fajitas and stir-fries. Often overlooked, this cut is a culinary staple for tacos and carne asada. Its rich flavor profile stands out more than fattier cuts when cooked correctly with high heat. So, remember, the name is a misnomer. You are eating the cow's belly, not its flank. Understanding this anatomy helps you cook it better and appreciate its unique place in the beef hierarchy. Now that you know where your dinner really comes from, have you ever tried cooking flank steak against the grain? Let me know your favorite recipes in the comments below.